Big money for more high-tech research in Kentucky. I'm Greg Stottlemyre. I'll tell you how much and how it's going to be used.
WTVQ 36 News at 6 starts now.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Tom Kenny coming to you from our newsroom tonight. Millions more to expand cutting-edge research in this state. The governor says new money will help Kentucky move its economic base beyond the traditional staples of agriculture and manufacturing. In tonight's top story at 6, WTVQ 36's Greg Stottlemyre is in our newsroom with more on how much and how it's going to be put to use.
Tom, millions of dollars are already being spent on research on our college campuses across Kentucky. Now comes another $12.5 million from the National Science Foundation. Over the life of this 5-year grant, the state will kick in $1 million a year, and the focus will be on the cutting-edge technologies of bio, cyber, and nanotechnology. This is a nano lab at UK, one of the hotspots for enhancing futuristic research. In simple terms, nano means very small.
When you're at this level, you're manipulating individual atoms.
It's a software block diagram.
Governor Steve Beshear got a tour of the nano research area Monday.
Comes over about twice every day.
Moments after announcing millions in new research money.
That is great.
Beshear says our economy is moving from working with our hands to working with our heads.
One of Kentucky's biggest challenges is reinventing its workforce and economy to reflect that fact.
Our economy may be sour, but there's still a demand for people to fill high-tech jobs. Plus, advances in research like nanotechnology have practical applications. Take your computer's microprocessor. UK's Director of Computational Sciences explains.
And those microprocessors are getting faster and faster every year because they're being made smaller and smaller.
8 of the state's public and private colleges will be getting some of the research money. Money the president of the Kentucky Science and Technology Corporation says proves
Kentucky is not going to take a backseat to anyone when it comes to ambitiously and aggressively pursuing innovation and all of its permutations.
Visit this lab and you see firsthand how Kentucky's chasing what the governor calls the I words: ideas, imagination, innovation, invention, intellect, ingenuity, inspiration, and investment. The National Science Foundation money will be funneled through EBSCOR. That is short for Kentucky Experimental Program to stimulate competitive research. Already there are currently 178 active research projects totaling $139 million. This will add a little bit more to that. Live in the newsroom, Greg Stottlemyre, WTVQ 36.